Hey, it's Holly. Welcome to Living It Country. Today we have two beautiful white exterior farmhouse styled homes to share, and I am so excited. If you watch these videos for decorating ideas, you are in for a treat. So without further ado, let's welcome these ladies here today and get started with today's tour.
Hey y'all, my name is Brooke. Welcome to my house. I'm gonna show you guys around. If I had to describe my personal style, it would be farmhouse, rustic, boho with a little mix of glam in there. As you can see, I love to mix prints and textures. I love to mix old and new. I love vintage and antiques and thrifting. So I can't wait to take you guys along. And if you want to follow me on Instagram, it's Brooke B. Carmine. Hey y'all, let's talk bookshelf styling 101. So when we built this house, I painted the entire interior Sherwin-Williams pure white. So I love a bookshelf to be able to display colors, to have things pop out and stand out to you. And it's a fun way to display all my flea market and antique thrifted finds. One of my favorite things is these spindles. Got these at a flea market. They're so cute. I've used them for numerous different holidays, Christmas because it is a green. I've got lots of moss balls, lots of brass that was thrifted. Isn't this so cute? And what I try to do with each side is balance things out. So if I have brass here, I'm gonna have brass here. Moss ball here, moss ball there. Green, that kind of thing. Picture frames. I kind of like to go in a Z or like a diagonal pattern. And you see the amber glass over here, antique spindles, just different things to make your house stand out and to make your home your home. I hope this helps. Let me know if it does.
Hi, I'm Amber. Welcome to my modern farmhouse. Come on in. So coming off of the entryway, we have the office to the left. We've got built-ins and a reading nook, which is probably one of my favorite spots in the whole house. Across from the office, we have our dining area. I call my style modern farmhouse. I love antiquing and thrifting, and I love mixing what I find with new pieces. That's my favorite thing to do. And here is our little half bath. Then we come back around to the living room. One of the things I love most about our house is the openness and all the windows. We have so much natural light in here, and I just love that so much. And here we have our kitchen. And then across from the kitchen, we have our breakfast area. We have bench seating all the way around that seats 12 to 13 people, which I love. Here we have our little mudroom closet. And our pantry. Another antique door. And then across from the pantry is our laundry room. Go back behind the living room. We have our stairs, which leads up to our two teenagers' rooms, but we won't go up there. If you know, you know. This is our bedroom. And we have another set of antique doors, and this is our bathroom. Again, lots of natural light, lots of windows. And I will take you out back off of the living room. We have a screen porch with a wood burning fireplace, another nice sitting area. That's another thing I love about our house. We have so many big porches. This is the porch off of our bedroom. And of course, one of our favorite spots where we spend a lot of time, especially right now. And another back porch. And this porch is off of our laundry room. So that's the tour of our modern farmhouse. Thanks for coming on in.
Thank you all so much for watching today's home tours. If you enjoyed today's video, make sure you guys go to the description box down below and follow these wonderful ladies. And I have another video picked out for you right here, and I will see you in that one.